Hi everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how to create lodging campaigns or hotel campaigns on Microsoft Bing advertising platform. Okay, so let's start the video. If you have not watched how to create search ads, you can refer to my other videos. I'll also give links to those videos in the description. So you can also watch how to create search ads, how to create CTV ads, how to create shopping ads also on Microsoft Bing ad platform. Okay, so let's get started. So for this, you need to log into your Microsoft ads platform. Okay, if you are very new and you do not know how to create this one, so I have a complete video on how to sign up for this ad platform and how to start, where to start, how the dashboard looks like, all the options, all the interface is being explained in that video. Please do check out that video in my channel. Let's start. So here in this, you can click on campaigns, and again in this campaigns you have a create option over here. Otherwise you can also use this create option to start the campaigns. Let me just click on create here, and you have goals initially. So I'm going to skip this one, and you have a campaign types over here. We will discuss about lodging campaigns. So these are basically if you have any hotel, you want to show your pricing ads, right? When someone is searching for your hotel, you want to show that pricing ads, you can use that. Otherwise, you have a property and someone is researching nearby places to rent that property, then you will be able to show your ad on your search platform where all the listings will be shown. Okay, so let me click on this, and next you go to continue. Now give a campaign name. Okay, let me just type lodging, okay, C1. And you have two ad formats. One is hotel pricing ads, next is property promotion ad. So hotel pricing ad is basically you show the price of your room, right, your hotel, right, in a real time to the people who are actually searching on Bing or Bing Maps, right? So that is hotel pricing. Next is property promotion, right? You have a property and you want to show that in your search or all the Microsoft platforms, right? In case you want to show that, you can use this property promotion ad. So for now we will select hotel price ad. Next we'll go to property promotion, which is PPA. Okay, this is HPA, and let me put an budget of 500 per day. Okay, and you have bid strategy. So you have two bid strategies: fixed bid per night and percentage of room price per click. So you can either of them choose that. You can put a fixed bid in case per click. This is the per click bid you want to bid something. Otherwise you want to put as a percentage room price percentage, you can do that, right? You can do that, like you want to put 30%, and you can put a maximum cut for that, right? So these are two bid strategies available. Next is ad scheduling. You want to have a start date and end date, you can do that. And if you want to choose to display your ads on certain days on particular timing, you can do that as well. Okay, and next is this is for audience ad bid adjustment. In cases like you want your ad to be promoted in all the audience network which Microsoft has, all the partners, all the sites, Microsoft sites, you want to do that, you can increase a bid adjustment. You can do some bid adjustments for that, but let's just keep it as it is for now. And next is ad distribution. So where do you want to distribute your ad, like place your ad? So first is entire Microsoft advertising network, which includes all Microsoft sites. Like you have your Outlook, you have your MSN platform, right? You have your Bing platform, you have your Microsoft Edge browser, right? So these are all like Microsoft sites itself, Microsoft owned sites. And you also have partner traffic. There are partner sites like you can show your ads on AOL, DuckDuckGo search engine, and also Yahoo and several others, right? So this includes only Microsoft sites and some of the traffic, some of the partner traffic you will be getting it. So just keep entire Microsoft network as it is. And next is choose your location, which location you want to run the ads. So I will choose Canada for this Canada location. And in case you want to run a radius specific, city radius specific, and you can do that, I can do Las Vegas, can run ad within that particular radius as well, right? And click on done. And you want to increase a bid for any particular device, you want to decrease the bid for any particular device, you can do that. Okay, so but before doing all of this, right, you should have your all your hotels and properties listed onto your Microsoft, uploaded onto your Microsoft. Okay, so let me just click on save over here, right? And let me just go into this, and you have property groups, and you have your properties, right? So right now there's nothing showing over here because there's no properties or your hotels listed over here. So for that purpose, what you need to do is that basically go to tools and content and data, and in that you will have property center. In case you are not seeing that option in the left side over here, left panel, so you can pin or unpin. If you pin that, you will be able to see that property center on the left. Okay, so let me just close this. I have property center over here. Click on property center, correct? And you have property feed, right? So all your properties, you need to have that as a template. You have the template here, upload that, all these details into this template and manually upload that. This is one of the options you have. You can upload that file from your computer, right? And next is you can download from an URL. In case all your properties are listed, you have a feed URL, then in that case you can give your URL over here, right? And if that URL has any username, password, you can give that, and you can create the frequency where it will keep downloading according to your frequency you have set. If there are any new properties getting added every 1 day or 1 week, you can do that. Okay, so that is about the property feed. Okay, and next one is pricing feed. So all your property prices, along with the property details, everything needs to be updated over here in this pricing feed. The data should appear across Microsoft within 24 hours. And you have logo to upload over here. This will be displayed on your ads. And next one is landing page feed, contains all the landing pages that will be redirected when they click on the lodging campaign ads, right? So each and every property will lead to a particular URL or a landing page dedicated to that, right? So that particular data needs to be uploaded over here. Okay, that is where you upload here, and you will be able to see all the details over here. And once you are done with all of this, you will go to campaigns, click on campaigns, and again campaigns, and start creating your campaign. Okay, click on create, skip, and lodging, right? And continue, right? So this will be like PPA, right? So let me choose this time the promotion PPA ads. So in the first one we have chose HPA ads. Now we will choose PPA ads, right? And here the same thing, the bid strategy, you have to put a fixed bid, or else you can choose the percentage of your room price, right? So let me just go with fixed bid for now and put a start date and end date to your campaign, and choose your timing of your ads. And in case you want to increase bid for this audience, you can do that. You can leave ad distribution as it is, as discussed, and choose your location where you wanted to run your ads. Okay, let's just say Germany, right? And click on done. And next is device targeting. If you want to increase or decrease for any particular device, you can do that, right? And click on save. So this is how you create your lodging campaigns. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel so that it helps and motivates me to do more and more videos. Thank you so much.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.